Hurst, just a lot of cloud cover. Very cloudy today on the cold side. Temperatures aren't going to get very warm at all. And take a look at forewarned Doppler. The heaviest of the snow right now is in the Niagara frontier. So Niagara County, Orleans, northern Genesee right now, basically north of the 90, south of the 90, just starting to pick up now. There was some heavy snow earlier on in the southern tier, but that has started to break apart quite a bit over the past hour or so. And really all we've seen out of this is just a dusting on the roadways. And over the next 48 hours, we could pick up, I'd say, upwards of maybe 2 inches. But that is going to be drawn out over the next couple of days. So you may not see 2 inches of accumulation really in a whole lot of spots. Maybe on your deck or on your grill that's still outside, things that are on the cold side that have been outside for a couple of days that you're not going to brush off. Cold temperatures, though, 29 degrees in Buffalo. Check out Toronto at 19 degrees this morning. And wind chills are much, much colder. We do have some breezy conditions out there, and that feel of the temperature drops about 10 degrees. 20 degrees is the feel in Buffalo, 17 in Bradford, and 15 in Jamestown. So very chilly temperatures this morning. High pressure systems to the north is allowing for at least northwest winds right now. We're going to see these shift out of the north, and then that's what's going to allow for this lake effect pattern to really come to an end. And once that does, right now we're seeing the northwest wind, so we're seeing this lake effect snow. And once they shift out of the north by the afternoon, it looks like most of this is going to clear up for us. So super microcast showing you the light scattered snow, at least for right now. It's keeping it mostly in the southern tier, but we are seeing it some in the Niagara frontier, and we'll see that come to an end by the afternoon. We'll get another dose of it for late tonight, early tomorrow morning. We'll see another break, and then we'll see more light snow, more lake effect snow again by tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening before we clear up for the early part of Monday and see some sunshine, but then we could see some rain for late Monday. So here's what we're expecting, as I said, in terms of snowfall. Looks like most spots going to see about a dusting to a half of an inch, but some other areas closer to the lakes could see upwards of about 1.5 inches. But again, this is going to be drawn out over the next 48 hours, and you're going to see some breaks. So there is going to be time to clear out the roadways, and with some traffic, the roadways should actually be pretty good. But if you see a quick 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch, you just got to be careful out there. So for today, cloudy with the lake effect snow. Looks like mainly for the early part of the morning, and then it'll just clear up and we'll be on the cold side with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. Then for tonight, mostly cloudy skies. We'll have a chance of some light lake effect again overnight. Cold temperatures in the mid to low 20s. Tomorrow, a little bit warmer. We still could see some lake effect snow in the afternoon, and winds are going to pick up out of the southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Then we're going to see some on and off scattered rain for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, even into the end of the week. And as the overnight lows are going to be right at that freezing mark, we could see some mixed precipitation in there at some points in time. And then it looks like we're going to be right on the edge of possibly seeing some snow for the weekend, which is what everybody wants to see. Absolutely. Because we want to get a white Christmas. So you were saying 1/2 to 1.5 inches, but that doesn't necessarily mean we're going to wake up to like that much snow on the ground. At one time, right, because it's going to be drawn out over the course of this weekend. Yep. We'll see some breaks in there. You'll get the plows. So as I mentioned, if maybe on your deck you'll accumulate a 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, okay, but on the roadways, probably not. Okay. All right. Thanks, Brian. Now let's take a look.